Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish or sauce called Bagoong Alamang. That's right, shrimp paste. I think it's about early last year, 2025, here in the US, there's been a shortage or recall of Filipino favorite sauces like the UFC banana ketchup, and especially crowd favorites like Barrio Fiesta's Bagoong or Kamayan brand Bagoongs out of the shelf. I think it's for some ingredients that's not allowed to be exported here in the US. That's why they're being recalled. But lately they're making a comeback. However though, they cost an arm and a leg. Imagine a 16-ounce bottle costing you $25. I ain't having that. Forget that. So I was in the market yesterday and found me some salted shrimp, fermented shrimp grills. And I thought to myself, why not make some at home? My favorite bagoong sauces for my Kare-Kare. Right? Cost me $9. So you know what? That's what we're making today. Our homemade Bagoong Alamang sauce. So folks, if you want to learn how to make that homemade bagoong sauce, stick around and I'll show you how to make them. So let's get started. Alright folks, we have a short list of ingredients here for our Bagoong Alamang. We got ourselves some head of garlic, 1 onion bulb, vinegar, brown sugar, use some oil, and of course we have the main ingredient here, the salted shrimp or fermented shrimp. This is about 1 pound. And optional ingredient is pork bellies here. Cut them in cube. So there you have it, folks. Let's do this. All right, folks. I parboiled these pork bellies that we have here, and now we're gonna wet render them. That way it can give us some crispy pork, and also it releases the pork fat, the oils from the pork. It gives yummy goodness to our dish as well. All right. Once this evaporates, we'll fry them up on its own oil. Perhaps we'll add some more if we need to. And I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. Alright folks, welcome back. About 10 minutes or so, we established our pork. And we got that golden brown pork bellies now. So now we're gonna start adding our garlic here. Our garlic first. We're gonna fry our garlic until it's golden brown as well. All right, together with this pork belly. So we have. All right. Smells so good already. Can you imagine buying a bagoong sauce for $25? I mean, come on, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's crazy. Here, you have the option to adjust to your liking if you do it at home, right? I like my bagoong to be, yes, salty of course, with a little sweetness and a little sourness to it, right? Once the garlic starts to brown up, don't want to over fry them. Want them burnt. Otherwise, it tastes bitter. Now we add the onions. Add more oil in here. Okay. Fresh ground black pepper won't hurt. Just a bit. All right. think we are ready for our fermented shrimp here. So I just rinsed this off because I don't want the saltiness to be gone. Rinse them off, cold water, strain them. All right, we're gonna incorporate that there. Gonna add some vinegar, any kind of vinegar. Probably use about quarter cup or so. Don't stir them right away, so it cooks the raw vinegar. Let it dry out first. I think that's just about enough. I'm gonna add some oil in here. The more the better. Like I said, I'm not gonna skim for our oil. Also, we're gonna add our brown sugar here. All right. It's about 5 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. Medium heat, folks. It's gonna change its color now to dark brown color, dark red color. You see the transformation here. From this point, we're gonna simmer this low. Got my temperature set to low heat. All right, folks. We're still simmering here. It's about 10 minutes in. Let's give this baby a taste now. See where we at. See if we established the bagoong taste that we wanted. Well, that's bagoong, man. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Ooh. Got the oil in there. You know what? This is my bagoong. A bit my way. A little bit of umami there, MSG. All right. Let's get this baby up. One more stir. We'll be ready for our kare-kare, our next kare-kare dish. All right, final tasting. Wow. Woo. $25 my ass. Oops. There you have it, folks. Our bagoong alamang, or shrimp paste. Shrimp paste sauce. Folks, if you're liking our video here, all I ask is that you like, share, and of course, please subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again. Wow. Look at that. Woo.